Today I'm going to show you how to do a pop cartwheel hook for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz, the channel that's all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be getting into the pop cartwheel hook for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your transformer round. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So a pop cartwheel hook is the same thing as a cartwheel hook, but we're doing a pop into it. So we're jumping off 2 feet at the same time, throwing our cartwheel hook, and then landing exactly the same. So when you start this move, you're gonna be starting in a front side stance with your feet together, looking at the ground in front of you. You're going to start to reach down and jump off both feet at the same time. Make sure your hands touch the ground and then spot your target and throw your hook kick, landing the move in a backside stance. And it's totally fine if it goes a little slanted or to the side. It doesn't have to be straight inverted or anything like that. You do actually want it to be a little slanted so you can get that hook kick out a little bit easier. Now, don't forget that you can do this move with a follow through at the end. You can also add a spin in the beginning, or you can do a spin and follow through together. And if you want to get good at these combos later on, then you should probably practice those variations. Here are some quick tips. Make sure to, like I said earlier, spot your hook kick as you do it. You also want to make sure that you lift your arm as you hook kick, otherwise it's going to be really difficult to get that hook kick out. And as always, make sure that you guys are pointing your toes as best you can. And if you want to work on like a little prerequisite trick for this trick, you can go ahead and click on that tutorial right there and that will help you out. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the Patreons who are supporting this channel. It means a lot to me to have you guys just chilling, relaxing, maxing, chilling, the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air thing, whatever. Anyways, thank you guys for being patrons and being awesome. And if you would like to become a patron, you who is not a patron, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking and yeah, support this channel. Be dope. Next, we're gonna be learning a pop transformer round, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated. Oh gosh, I keep messing up on that. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz.
I kind of like stay motivated. No, I don't.